Good morning, distinguished guests, colleagues, ladies and gentlemen. It is my pleasure to be with you to celebrate International Anti-Corruption Day 2013. Your presence shows that you attach as much importance as I do to the fight against corruption. The fight against corruption has been declared a high priority by our government. Therefore, suggested measures are taken to make sanctions for corruption more severe. To begin with, I would appoint dedicated civil servants who would work honestly for the country. Stealing money or accepting a bribe in exchange for a service is unethical and illegal. Next, I would pass stringent laws to protect citizens and punish embezzling and bribe-taking. I cannot tolerate that honest citizens be the victims of corrupt civil servants. I would also fight tax evasion and capital flight. Those who earn a lot of money must pay the taxes and contribute to the development of the country. Therefore, any tax evader would be severely punished by specially appointed tribunals. To conclude, I could tell you, fellow countrymen, that your role as citizens is indispensable to fight corruption. No government can succeed without the help of civil society. Therefore, I urge you again to gather around me to win this decisive battle. Vote for honesty. Vote for me.